Halal investing. Is it possible here in Singapore? In today's video, I'm going to share with you what exactly halal investing means. This is Afiq, Chief Finance Ninja at Fussfree Finance. Over the past 10 years, I've helped hundreds of families kickstart their halal investing journey onto the path of financial independence. So, what exactly is halal investing? Well, what does halal mean? If you're a Muslim, you would know it means that it's permissible and not forbidden. Just like the stuff we eat, it needs to be halal. It needs to be slaughtered in a specific way. It needs to be prepared in a specific way to ensure it's halal for us to consume. And it's exactly the same with our investments. So, what makes an investment halal? Well, there are a few things that need to be done before an investment is considered halal. First off, it can't be involved in haram or prohibited activities. Things like alcohol, gambling, weapons production, or vice of any kind. So what are some of your challenges when it comes to halal investing or Islamic investments? I've heard so many stories out there about different investment schemes and even scams. So share with me your best stories or your best questions about halal investing and investing in Islamic ways in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to reply to every comment and help you along your journey. Number 2, it has to be structured according to an Islamic contract. There has to be an element of transparency and there has to be a portion of risk sharing. There are other aspects to an Islamic contract which I won't go into in this video, but as far as you're concerned, as long as the investment has risk sharing, does not involve speculation or gambling, and has transparency, you should be A-OK. Of course, the best indicator of an investment instrument being halal or permitted is of course in the name or by the certifying body. If an investment instrument has usually the word halal or Sharia compliant involved in the name, or, and this is even better, it has the endorsement of a governing body that certifies that it is halal or Islamic, then you can be assured that you can partake in that investment. I run a lot of workshops and events talking about halal investing and being able to invest as a Muslim in Singapore. In fact, I've got a secret group full of like-minded investors who share investing ideas, investing suggestions, tips, tricks, and of course, I will share some of the most updated information available to me, to my community. I'm also writing a quick 2-page guide on how you can kickstart your investing journey and achieve financial independence as a Muslim here in Singapore. All you gotta do is like, subscribe, and share. If you want to learn a lot more with quite a few videos all around, just keep looking. This is Afiq, Chief Finance Ninja at Fussfree Finance. I'll see you at the next one.